Are stories about potential and how passion transforms reality. In the heart of campus, a diamond in the rough awaits. So here we are, planning, studying, assessing, determined to make improvements. We collaborate and consider options. Creating solutions. Through sustainable designs. The work we do upstream improves conditions downstream, reversing the damage, assuring recovery. Wetlands, streams, rivers. Take care of them, and like diamonds, they'll endure. Rise to the occasion, balance passion with potential, be mindful of challenges. Stay forever optimistic.